Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger not ringing. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger not ringing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll search about the application of Messenger. Then this list of app and file, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, it may cause a lot of errors on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.